Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Marie's Moose. I am representing one of my followers here today. His name is John Leary. He came out with this Yikes shirt. Let me go ahead and stand up and show you the back. This is for the 250th 4th of July, celebrating 250 years. And of course, it's the Yikes shirt on, or the Yikes logo on the back with a little bit more of an American theme for the 250th. Again, John is a follower of ours here on Gentleman's Roundtable and on Reviews and Moves. Great guy. And yeah, just overall good guy. And you can pick this shirt up at shirtshow.co and just look up Yikes. But now we're going to get to a review. I did a review on this a few days ago and overwhelmingly surprised by the feel and fit of this cap. And I have got another head change. Okay, this is not the United States one. That one's still in the mail. Looks like it's going to be here Monday. So I'll be doing a review on that next week. And so I got another. There's another one. I mean, once I put the other one on, it was just like, holy cow, this thing feels amazing. So instantly after I did that, I went on their website and found another one. I was like, that one's me. This one says Reviews of Moose all over it. And I got it here. Again, it comes in a baggie, but I'll tell you what, the last time when I got it, baggies aren't my friend. But when I opened up the last one, I didn't have to steam it or anything. It was perfect. So let's go ahead and get right into it. And this is the Head Change Econo Houndstooth Wool Blend. Thank you, Mark. You got it. All right, head change. All right, let's see what else it says on here. Thank you for shopping with us, headchange.com. One of one, extra large, size 7.5, which ends up being 60 centimeter. And let's get to it. Comes in a nice bag. And this is it here. And like I said, this is just something I don't have anything like. I'm a huge fan of the Hound by Boston Scally. They just, some odd reason, don't want to make those anymore. They'd rather stick with the Popeyes and the Top Guns rather than going back to things that the average man that's 40 to 50 to 60 would probably rather have a Hound, but that's just me, and they must make more money doing the other stuff. And don't get me wrong, I'm a fan of those. I just wish they'd go tame it back a little bit and go back to those normal style caps for Boston Scally. But this is it here. Again, this is the Houndstooth. This is what is this one? This is called the White Houndstooth. It's got red, black, and it's like an off-white color to it. But look how well that is. I mean, that's why it doesn't lose its shape when it's in its package. I mean, this thing's got cardboard in it. Nice, thick piece of cardboard. Of course, you got the tissue paper. And I'll be damned. Huh. They have like a flannel insert. And that almost looks like the Sunday flannel. The Sunday pattern that Boston Scally has for the Sunday. That is very, very similar. I don't know if you can see that real well in there. When I show a close-up, I got it on there. But yeah, Houndstooth, red, white, I guess it's white and black. But yeah, this thing looks fantastic. And I'm hoping I'm going to go 2 for 2 here. Because that last one, the brown and tan, what was that? The brown and tan plaid, that was an amazing cap. It's obviously not a summer cap, but it was an amazing cap, and I can't wait to wear it in the wintertime. So, but this is it here. Nice looking cap. And I wish Boston Scally kind of came out with this kind of cap as well. I mean, they don't, they want to stay with what they're doing, which is no shame. Large, extra large. This is a 7.5. Now, when you select large, extra large, or extra large on their sizes, like they literally have like extra large 7.5 and extra large 7 5/8. I'm not too sure what 7 5/8 is, but as far as centimeter goes, but we can find out. Let's ask Siri. How many centimeters is 7 5/8 inch? Nope, that can't be it. I did something wrong. How many centimeters is 7 5/8 baseball cap? Use ChatGPT. Okay. So I guess we're going to wait for ChatGPT to come up. 60.6 centimeter. That seems like it would be bigger than that. That can't be right. But anyway, let's go and show a close-up of this, and we'll try it on. And here's a close-up of the Houndstooth by Head Change. Man, that thing just pops. I like that. Inside, like I said, that really does look pretty similar to the Sunday by Boston Scally. Or even maybe the, one of the, I can't remember the other cap that had that kind of pattern. But yeah, you like how the Houndstooth is all the way on the thing. And of course, you got the Head Change pin that can be removed if you don't want to put it on there. I mean, it's just a little clasp on the back, just like any of the other pins. Little plastic clasp on the back that just pops right out, like PVC, whatever they call it. But here is the tag that comes on it. Head Change. And, you know, first of all, they're definitely getting some orders. Yeah, I mean, because I got a lot of comments from the last review I did, how many people placed an order. So I'm sure they're recognizing the traffic that we're sending their way, and I'm sure they appreciate it. But let's go ahead and try this one on. All right, so it's time to try it on, and I actually went and grabbed the brown and tan plaid one as well. I mean, that thing is just super nice, and it fit nice. I mean, it's like almost like, it's like putting on, like, I don't know, kind of like something has like spandex and it just absorbs to your head. It feels great. It really does. But that is the plaid, the brown and tan plaid, and this one had that same kind of flannel insert, but just a different kind. And then this is the Hound. Again, these are the Econo. And their explanation on this thing's only 24 bucks, $24.95. And their explanation of this is like, you know, they came out with the Econo line because people the Made in America ones are more expensive. So they wanted to give an option to those who, one is maybe a little bit more tighter on financially or whatever it might be. They give them that option to have a head change cap. In their explanation, that was great. I mean, it really is pretty sweet. But yeah, it says right here, we offer the Econo Lodge because we know everyone can't spend the extra money needed to support made in the USA products. That is a perfect explanation of why they came out with the Econo line, other than they're made in America. Because I mean, you can't argue that. I mean, it's not like, oh, we're not doing it because we can't. No, they're doing it so it makes an affordable hat for those who can't spend the extra money for made in USA. And that is perfect explanation. But here it is. The Hound, we're trying it on, and it fits exactly like the plaid. Yeah, I don't know how these are only 25 bucks. I just don't get it. I just don't understand. But that looks, man. If you're a fan of Houndstooth, I mean, it's a no-brainer. Yeah, this is just a no-brainer. Wow. This thing is just super. I mean, I just don't understand how this works. How can they make a cap this high quality? I mean, this is obviously a cooler winter hat, cooler month hat. But even for $25, this is, if you were to compare this to a Boston Scally, in fact, I'm gonna go grab Boston Scally. So I went and grabbed the Gridiron. This is one of my favorite caps of Boston Scally. But just by comparing these two, there's no comparison. I mean, obviously these are both made in China, which their explanation of that's top notch. What can they say about this other than their marketing that they're spending extra money for to charge $55 for $52 for this hat, when this is by far a better material, a better interior, and this one here, the Hound, I mean, if you were to go try these both on and not knowing the prices of it, you would think, I really thought, like when I first did my first review on the plaid, is that I had to actually go look to see how much it cost because I couldn't believe it. Because if I was blind man going in there and not knowing, I would have thought for sure this is like an $80 hat. Now if you compare this one, like the way this fits, it is nowhere near the feel that you get. It's night and day. And this is, I mean, if I live in a cold weather environment, I'm picking this all day long because it's just so much of a thicker cap, and you can definitely tell it's more warm for the insulation and all that. But yeah, I mean, like I said, I was just shocked that it was only 25 bucks, and yeah, but that's a perfect example between the two. between the Boston Scally cap, which is $52, and this head change, which is $25. Like I said, if I were at a store and didn't know any better, I mean, yeah, this might be different because they got the patterns on it, whatever it might be. But when I put these on, and then I would and let's say these are both $50, I'm definitely picking this. And then if I found out this is only $25, I'm getting like 4 or 5 of these instead of 3 of these. So it's yeah, I highly recommend you guys give head change a try. And like I said, I'm just going back and forth between the Gridiron and this Houndstooth, and there's no comparison at all. I'll just be honest with you. This is by far a better made cap than the Boston Scally is for the Gridiron. That says a lot. And for half the price, less than half the price. I'm going to give this one here another 4.8. And let me know what you guys like more out of the brown plaid, or the brown plaid and the white Houndstooth. But man, they just fit so damn good. Unbelievable. Yeah, these are going to be my, I got more coming, by the way. I got plenty of more coming. And I look forward to wearing these when it starts getting cool out. Yeah, definitely give this guys a shot, everybody. Reviews of Moose here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see everybody next time. Thanks again for watching.